a tutor at Accountancy Learning, and I'm here to give you my thoughts on finding that first finance role. First thing we need to think about is your transferable skills. Even if you think you haven't got any because you haven't worked in finance, you have. So let's have a look at some examples. Perhaps you've got cash handling skills from maybe a job in retail or hospitality. This shows your numeracy skills. It shows your attention to detail. Those kinds of industries as well means that you've had no 2 days the same. Great qualities to be able to take through to your finance career. What about people skills? Have you worked with other people before, perhaps in a voluntary role or previous work experience? Have you dealt with different levels of management? You dealt with your colleagues and customers. You dealt with managers and perhaps people even above them. Have you had difficult situations to deal with within your roles? That's something useful to be able to take forward into finance for the challenging conversations sometimes we have, perhaps about costs or tax. And also, if you have been in retail, hospitality, or even in voluntary positions, you've spoken to a wide variety of people. Let that shine through in your applications and how you can take that forward into your role. What about your IT skills? Have you used PCs and different softwares? That software may not be relevant to the finance role you're applying for, but it does show adaptability and confidence in learning new things. Have you got any IT courses that you've done? Skills and knowledge that you can take forward and use in your new role? Or perhaps you've even produced reports or presentations. And finally, what about working to deadlines? Deadlines are really important in finance. We have tax deadlines, month-end, year-end, even internal deadlines for certain things. So perhaps there's something you can bring forward from previous experience to show that you are used to dealing with deadlines. Moving on, we also need to have an open mind. So when you start your finance career, you are going to normally have to start in an entry-level role of some sort. But there are loads of different finance options out there, so you need to keep looking. Have you had a look between the differences between industry and practice? You may have to decide whether you're going to study or not, and that can have an impact on the different career paths that you may take. You may even find that you want to go into a specialist area. Perhaps you want to do more tax exams or focus on something like audit. All of this kind of information can help you decide what kind of career path you want to take. You may even find a little path to a niche area like forensic accounting. The key is to keep an open mind. And remember, you are very likely to start somewhere different to where you want to end up. But be open to those opportunities that present themselves to you. Finally, I'd like to introduce you to my 3 Ps to job hunting. First of all, perseverance. Jobs aren't going to fall into your lap and you are going to get rejections. You may even feel like giving up, but do carry on applying and attending those interviews, and most importantly, get the feedback from those employers. Secondly, positivity. Be positive. Remember your goals and why you started this journey. Be kind to yourself through the process. Remember, you have lots of good qualities you can offer a new employer in a role. Not every job you apply for is going to get back to you, but don't take that personally. Keep your positive mindset and keep on going. And finally, passion. Remember why you've started this pathway. Show your passion and enthusiasm for the industry. Do your research on the job you're applying for and the company. But most importantly, be who you are in your interviews. Don't try to pretend to be somebody else, and in all of your answers on both the application and in your interview, personalise your answers to the experiences that you have and that you can bring to that new employer. I wish you luck in finding your finance role.